So we're looking at 267 Moss Bay Road, 3-bedroom terraced house, a couple of receptions, kitchen, utility and bathroom. Show you the street scene. We've got a very handy convenience store across the road. There's off-road parking in these prescribed spaces, at a nice little residential area in Salterbeck. So let's go in and we'll take a look at the accommodation. And the house has all been freshly decorated, newly painted walls, recarpeted, had a good makeover by the landlord. You come into a little vestibule, then onwards into the hallway. And here we have the first of the 2 reception rooms. Nice new grey carpet down. We've got a feature fireplace. There's no fire there. It's just a nice little original piece of architecture from the house. And then we come through and we walk into reception 2. And this one is open plan, as you'll see, to the kitchen. So we have a gas fire in a nice feature surround. The house is lovely and warm, I've got to say. It's a cold day today, but the heating is belting away at the moment with radiators throughout the property. And then we've got a nice hand-painted kitchen, which has got nice new work surfaces over and tiled to the splashbacks. And if I just pan out, you can get a good idea of the work surfaces and the space. We've got a 4-ring freestanding gas cooker. We have a stainless steel sink and drainer. And then we've got space for a fridge underneath the units there. And then behind me, we have space under here for a washing machine, or if you so chose, a dishwasher. So we've got all that available, and open plan to that reception 2. And then through in the back, there is a utility area, which again has got some work units. It has plumbing there if you so chose for your washing machine, vented there also for a dryer. So that's the utility, and that door leads out to a small rear yard. So we'll make our way upstairs. 3 bedrooms in total, single family bathroom. The new grey carpets extend all the way through the accommodation. We'll work to the small bedroom first. So perhaps a home office, a hobby room. This is a little bit small, probably for a permanent bedroom, but you know, could certainly occasionally fill those uses. In there is the gas-fired boiler. And then I'll show you the bathroom. 3-piece WC pedestal wash hand basin. We have a panel bath, and we have a thermostatically controlled shower over. So nice and clean, all been regrouted and tidied up, and perfectly serviceable. The second bedroom is a double. Perhaps if I walk to the far end, you'll get a good appreciation. Lots of room in here for double bed, wardrobes, chest of drawers, freshly painted walls. Blinds to all the windows are all brand new and in keeping with the decoration. And here is the master bedroom. So again, a double. This one is to the front elevation of the house overlooking the street. Lots of room for bed, wardrobes, bedside cabinets and associated other bedroom units. So little storage cupboard out there on the landing for you to put away your household items. So that's a 3-bed, mid-terraced property on Moss Bay Road in Workington. Available now. If you'd like to view, please call Hunters.